This video provides instructions on how to find and use full-face CPAP mask sizing guides. Sizing varies between the different brands and mask types. Once you have decided which full-face mask you want, you will need to determine the right cushion size to get the best fit. When ordering from Intus, you can find the sizing guides on the mask product page under the Downloads tab. Once you have located your sizing guide, you will need to print it. If you do not have a printer at home, you can contact us and we can post you a copy. Before printing your sizing guide, check it scaled to 100% on your printer settings. After printing, cut around the dotted line on your guide and hold it against your face. You must position the top of the sizing guide on the bridge of your nose, where a pair of glasses would sit. The bottom of the guide should be placed on the indent under the bottom of your lip on your chin. This will provide you with your cushion size. If you need help taking the measurement, ask a friend or family member for assistance. Once you have your measurements, you can place an order online or by telephone. For any advice or guidance, call us on 0800 024 8050 or email us on contact@intushealthcare.com.